Okay, so this is just a general overview of how to use the function generator here. So, first step, turn it on. Then once it's on, you can pick what signal you're outputting here. So we'll start with just a sine wave. We can see here we have frequency. You can pick, whatever frequency you want. So we'll go with 4 kilohertz. You can either type it in like this and then select your units here, or you can use the little scroll wheel here. Either way. Then our amplitude, we can set, let's do 2 volts peak to peak. And then the DC offset you can also change, so we can set that to 1 volt. So now that we have everything set up, we can look at our oscilloscope here, and we see that nothing's happening. So if you don't have anything, one thing you can check is kind of the time scale on here, but first would be to make sure that you actually turn on the output. So now that we have the output, we can adjust our stuff here so that we can see the signal. And one thing we can notice is we have this set to be 2 volts peak to peak, but what we have here is actually 4 volts peak to peak. So one thing we can check on to make sure that we have it set up right is to go to utility, then the output setup, and make sure we're on high Z. So if your peak to peak voltage isn't matching up on the oscilloscope to what you set it, then most likely the high Z setting has not been activated. And then this shows you now this changed. So we were putting out 4 before, but now if we change this back to 2, now we'll actually get 2 volts peak to peak on our oscilloscope. So just something to keep in mind if you're running into issues when you try to turn on your function generator and things aren't matching up to what you expect to see. I think that's pretty much it.